Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download your Instagram data on app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Here you are seeing the home screen. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on the icon with 3 lines in the upper right. Then tap on the settings option. Tap on security option. Then tap on the download data button under the data and history section. Now, all you need to do is write your email to deliver your data. After that, tap on request download and your Instagram data will be sent to your email address. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.